Welcome back to Smart Living. Today we are looking at 4 essential tools to keep your home spotless and organized. First, check out this press-type drain basket. It's the perfect 2-in-1 sink organizer for your kitchen or bathroom. With a simple press, it locks to hold water or opens to strain food waste instantly, keeping your sink clog-free and tidy. Next, for those stubborn stains, the magic Emery sponge brush is a total lifesaver. The powerful Emery surface removes rust and burnt-on grease from pots and pans with ease. Plus, the built-in handle keeps your hands clean and protected while you scrub. To deep clean your appliances, we have this 3-piece gas stove cleaning brush set. With different wire textures, these brushes reach into every dead corner of your stove and range hood, removing heavy oil and carbon buildup that regular sponges just can't touch. Finally, keep your ingredients fresh with this 2.5L sealed storage container. It's the perfect size for flour, rice, or grains. The airtight lid and portable design mean your pantry stays organized and your food stays moisture-free. Upgrade your cleaning and storage game today. To see more, like, share, and subscribe to Smart Living.